To transfer data from old iPhone to new Pixel 8a, if your Pixel 8a has already been set up, tap the Finish Setting Up option in your settings. If your phone is on the setup screen, tap Get Started. And when it says Set up using another device, you must tap iPhone or iPad. We now need to enter in our Wi-Fi. Then you will need to sign in with your Google account. Create one if you need to. After signing into Google account, create a PIN and set up your fingerprint. Then we'll see copy data from your iPhone or iPad. Tap on Next. Now connect your Pixel 8 to your old iPhone. Now if it won't let you use the Google Pixel's cable, use your iPhone cable, and there is an adapter in the box if you need it. So we see Trust this computer, tap Trust, and enter in your passcode. Your iPhone must be unlocked to have seen that message. Then tap on Next, and we're going to trust the computer one more time. So it's just going to get the files from your iPhone and just show you what's on there. So we can choose what to copy, tap or untap what you would like, and then tap the copy option. I would recommend going into the settings and then locate messages and make sure the SIM card is still in your old iPhone and then turn off iMessage. Otherwise, you will need to Google deactivate iMessage, head to the Apple website, and you will have to enter in your number and verification code. If you don't do this, messages will not be received on your Pixel 8a from any iPhone user. Once you want to proceed with the data transfer, just tap copy.